Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be whipping up a delightful dish, 3 delicacies light broth. Let's dive in. Start by rehydrating the wood ear mushrooms until they expand, then give them a good slice. Chop the napa cabbage into neat segments. In a pot, bring a good amount of water to a rolling boil. Chop in the fish balls, cauliflower, and sliced wood ear mushrooms. Let them mingle briefly. Now toss in the napa cabbage and sausage and let everything dance together for a cozy 3 minutes. Time to jazz it up. A splash of light soy sauce and a swirl of olive oil give it a good mix. Voila! A pot of 3 delicacies soup just right with a hint of salt and a touch of oil. Give this recipe a whirl and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.